This is the AIDJ, been built into a Gorilla case, and it consists of an Novation XL, Novation launch pad for displaying and for setting, a second launch pad also can be interchanged between the two, and this one can be used to play the notes. This is the computer that contains the computer program, and this is the display. We have the drum. I'll set the drum so it can be shown. This is the drum pattern. The kick drum is the outside one, so there, and I can switch over to various different patterns, or I can set manually. I tend to prefer setting in patterns, then I can keep a lot saved and switch over from one to the other. I'll switch the drums off for now. So drums up there. This portion here is the melody, and I'll set it to 7 notes per bar maximum. So at the moment it's just 2, and these are the notes that it's playing. And that's because we're currently in E flat major, and I can change these scales just by pressing the buttons on the launch pad. So this is C Ionian, where it's just C, D, E, F, G, or the white notes, and up here it's immediately playing just those notes. I can now bring in a second instrument, and a third instrument, and another, and another, and another. I better take that one out because it's a little bit noisy. So on the launch pad I can watch. This is the top piano, this is the bottom piano, and these are the notes that will be played when the sequencer goes over them. You can hear the harmony. I'll turn everything off for now. There is a harmony set for, currently there's a chord rest of 25, so I'm gonna set that to 0, 0. So every time that the main piano melody 1 plays on a downbeat, which is there and there, that's the upbeat, that's the upbeat, it will also play automatically a chord. And the chord that it's playing here, so that's the minor chord, and these are the progression rules that it's allowed to play. So here, so this is what it's allowed to play. And I've also got noises like the drones down here.